On behalf of the Government of Telangana, it's my privilege to extend a warm welcome to the Miss World organization. Madam Julia, ma'am is 86 years old, and her energy and her enthusiasm and her absolute precise thought is an inspiration to all of us. So welcome to Telangana. I welcome the reigning Miss World, Miss Christina from the Czech Republic. You have brought so much of beauty and grace to Hyderabad and Telangana, so welcome to you. Warm welcome to our Honorable Minister, Sir, Jupali Krishna, Sir. He has given us all the freedom, all the encouragement to be able to put together this wonderful celebration of beauty and celebration of purpose. Warm welcome, sir, to the chairman of the Telangana Corporation, Ramesh, sir, who has been a pillar of support in all the logistics, in all the plans that we are going to roll out in a very enthusiastic way in the coming days. So I'll just go straight to the issue. Telangana is all set to host the 72nd edition of the Miss World. We are truly excited with the opportunity of this strategic partnership. Let me tell you, since the media personalities from all over India, from Delhi, Mumbai, all parts of India, have come today, and of course our very, very dear Telugu media is also present today. A warm welcome to all of you. So through you, I would like to tell the world a little bit about Telangana. In the sacred text, Telangana is known as Trilinga Desha. It is the sacred land between the three lingams, Kaleshwaram, Sri Sailam and Daksharamam. It is the home of the Telugu language, and over a period of time, it evolved into what they used to call Telinga Desha. And then finally in the 14th century, it is known as Telangana. So this is a brief history. We are more than 2,500 years old. We are today the most vibrant and the youngest state of our incredible India. And what has emerged today as Telangana is a statehood born out of the sacrifice and aspirations of generations of Telugu-speaking people. As we enter our 11th year, today we stand tall with accomplishments in every sector: robust infrastructure, excellent connectivity, safety and orderliness, a secure water and health and sanitation infrastructure. Known as the vaccine capital of the world, I dare say that in this very state of Telangana, anchored in the city of Hyderabad, we have been a lifesaver to the world during the difficult times of COVID. From the architectural wonder, that is the World Heritage Site Ramappa Temple, and the awe-inspiring 1,000-pillar temples in Warangal, we boast of engineering masterpieces such as the Yadagiri Gutta Temple, the Qutub Shahi tombs, Charminar, Golconda Fort, Medak Church. We offer something to every explorer from the world. In this month-long festival of beauty, we will immerse you in the unforgettable journey that is Telangana. The jewel in our crowns are the rich legacy of handlooms: Pochampalli, Narayanapet, Golabhama, Gadwal, fabrics and saris that are not just fit for Miss World and Queens, but also fabrics that everyday women wear and proudly wear as they work in their farmlands. For the wildlife enthusiasts, you will have the adventure of a lifetime at the Amarabad and Kawal Tiger Reserves, stunning waterfalls at the Kuntala, Bogata and Nalamala. Anantagiri Hills is a whole new experience for many of the nature lovers and adventure seekers. I would also like to draw your attention to a growing sector, and it is now making rapid strides and a mark in the global scenario, which is our medical value tourism. We have the most advanced healthcare in Telangana, the JCI accredited hospitals which are globally recognized. We have AIG Group, Apollo Rainbow Children and Birthright Fertility Hospitals, Continental Hospitals, TX Hospitals. We offer the most advanced robotic-assisted surgeries, advanced laparoscopic surgeries, genome sequencing, cardiac procedures, orthopedic procedures, oncology treatments, gastroenterological treatments. And well beyond the actual surgeries and treatments, people from all over the world prefer to stay back in Hyderabad, stay back in Telangana during their wellness period, often undergoing physiotherapies and other wellness treatments. We also would like to proudly tell the world that we have a tourism policy which is very futuristic and very ambitious. We aim to attract 15,000 crores over the next 5 years, that is 150 billion in tourist investment. With a strong framework in ecotourism, medical tourism, sports tourism, spiritual tourism, by offering the best of the concessions, best of the subsidies to meet and beat any other tourist investment state in India. So we welcome the world to participate in our growth journey of the tourism sector. Coming to the fun part, we are the Bahubali of the cinema and entertainment industry, with films like RRR that have grabbed the global spotlight. Our silver screens light up with more than 300 films annually with the best of talent in animation, gaming, and visual effects ecosystem. Step into Telangana, where sporting legends are born and champions are shaped. Tennis ace Sania Mirza, Pulela Gopichand, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Kidambi Shrikant, Nikhat Zareen, Arjun Erigaisi, Dronavalli Harika, Shrija Akula, Isha Singh, Ritvik Chaudhary, Bolipalli, Ritvika Shivani, Mohammad Husamuddin, Tilak Verma, and Mohammad Siraj. And we are just getting started. From the serene Buddhist haven, that is Buddhavanam, which houses Telangana's ancient Buddhist heritage, to the frenzy and color and festivities of Medaram Jatra, and to the Bonalu, we, the vibrant people of Telangana, are humble, hospitable, rustic, and real. And Hyderabad, once the wealthiest city in the world, which was the hub for diamond and pearl trade, with the grandeur of Charminar, the Lad Bazaar, Falaknama and Chowmahalla, which Christina had a chance to visit very recently, and its largest collection of antiques in the Salarjung Museum that stand as testimony to the legacy of that bygone era, which has shaped also our identity today. Cut to the modern day Cyberabad, the nerve center for IT-enabled services, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, defense and defense research. We are home to global tech giants like Microsoft and Google. A growing hub of startup ecosystem, a platform to ideate, innovate, and incubate. The T-Hub, where brilliant young minds find their ideas into commercial operations. Innovation and cutting-edge research in life sciences, aerospace, clean energy happens here in the very city of Hyderabad that today we have all a chance to be in. And while you're here, don't forget to have our delectable biryani, halim, and Telangana Vantakalu, and please wash it down with some Irani chai. In other words, this is the place where every foodie's dream becomes a reality. So we can never stress enough on the care that our law and order authorities take to keep Telangana a safe and friendly tourism destination. With state-of-the-art surveillance 24/7 from our integrated command control center, we assure to every tourist, every traveler, that Telangana is a safe tourism destination for all travelers, especially solo women travelers and senior citizens. So I can go on and on about the love story that is Telangana, my home and my karma bhumi of the last 25 plus years. But I take this unique opportunity to present this destination to the global audience, a destination that awaits your discovery. Like we like to say it here in Dakkani, Telangana Zarur Aana. It is a memory of a lifetime, not just a place on the map. So thank you everybody for gracing us today, and especially to the media fraternity, a very warm welcome to Telangana and Hyderabad.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving a wonderful insight over the magnanimity of Telangana in each and every aspect. Telangana is the land not only for spiritual tourism but also for ecotourism, environmental tourism, and of course it is the place where you can find all the north and south cultures disseminate and mingle with each other. It is the melting pot of North and South Indias together. It is mini India rather, we can tell. So likewise, here the Department of Tourism, Government of Telangana and Culture is very much happy to announce and welcome all the